Hello and welcome back. In this lecture, we are going to explore the key features and functionalities of VS Code or Visual Studio Code. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced developer, understanding these features will enhance your productivity and make your development experience more enjoyable. So let's begin by exploring some of the key features of VS Code. These features include IntelliSense for smart code completions, debugging tools for various languages, with our emphasis will be on JavaScript, of course, and built-in Git integration, extensions to enhance functionality, customizable themes and key bindings, and integrated terminal for running commands directly within the editor, which was covered in the previous lecture. Now, after this exploration, I will now create separate videos, lectures for each of these bulleted points like IntelliSense, debugging tools for various languages, and built-in Git integration, and customizable themes and key bindings. And this customizable themes and key bindings would also cover extensions to some extent. By putting them in separate lectures, it is intended to create each of these functionalities, each of these key features of VS Code into one separate learning objective. Alright, so stay tuned for some very interesting upcoming videos.